Integration in logical learning.
Today's topic is motions of the earth. What is the rotation of earth? The earth's rotation is the amount of time that it takes to rotate once on its axis. Now the question is what the axis is. Axis is an imaginary line which joins the two poles of the earth. This axis is tilted at an angle of 66.5 degrees. The rotation is apparently accomplished once a day, that is every 24 hours. The earth rotates from west to east, that is anti-clockwise direction. What are the effects of rotation? The most important effect of rotation is day and night. The lighted portion is called day and the darkened portion on the earth is called night. Due to rotation, it feels like the sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Rotation gave Earth its own shape, that is the geoid shape. Rotation helps in the change of temperature and rotation also causes tide. Revolution of Earth. The movement of the Earth around the Sun in a fixed path, that is called orbit, is called a revolution. The earth revolves from west to east, that is in the anti-clockwise direction. The earth completes one revolution around the sun in 1 year or precisely in 365 days and 6 hours. Orbit is an elliptical path which is followed by the earth to complete one revolution. Due to revolution, changes of seasons take place on the earth. We get the concept of a whole year. Heat zones are formed. The heat zones are torrid zone, temperature zone, frigid zone. A leap year is generated through leap year. In a leap year, we get an extra day which is added in the month of February. And this leap year can be seen every 4 years after. This is the picture of the revolution and seasons that happen on the earth. At the Arctic pole, the midnight sun can be seen for 6 months at a time, continuously and without a break. In northern Scandinavia, there is constant daylight for 6 months. Norway is called the land of midnight sun. An aurora referred to as polar lights, northern lights, aurora borealis, or southern lights, aurora australis, is a natural light display in the Earth's sky, predominantly seen in the high latitude regions around the Arctic and Antarctic. Dawn is the period of twilight between complete darkness and sunrise, and dusk is the period of twilight between complete darkness and sunset. In common usage, dawn refers to morning, while dusk refers only to the evening twilight. Hopefully this session will be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.